Jai the student, today we are going to discuss the components of budget, that is structure of budget in the chapter government budget. The budget is presented into the two part, that is revenue budget and capital budget. So these are called components of budget. So classification of government budget into various head means that is revenue budget and capital budget. So first, what is revenue budget? What do you mean by the revenue budget? तो रेवेन्यू बजट शो द करंट रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, ये करंट रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट गवर्नमेंट की शो करता है एंड द एक्सपेंडिचर मेड फ्रॉम दिस रेवेन्यू. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट एंड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. Second, capital budget compromise of capital receipt and capital expenditure of the government. It shows the capital requirement of the government, also their financing pattern. And capital account signifies that economic role of the government extend far beyond the collecting and expanding the tax revenue. So the component of budget can also be characterized according to the receipt and expenditure. मतलब जो हमारा components of budget है वो also can be categorized, उसको categorize किया गया है according to the receipt and expenditure. On the basis of these two, both components are classified, that is budget receipt and budget expenditure. Under the budget receipt there is a revenue receipt and capital receipt, and under the budget expenditure there is revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. So first we discuss the what is the budget receipt. Budget receipt to expected monetary receipt to the government from various source in the accounting year or called government receipt. Means जो expected monetary receipt है government की from the various source in a accounting year in the financial year are called government receipt. Government receipt are classified into two major head, that is revenue receipt and the capital receipt. These are first, what is revenue receipt? So revenue receipt are which neither create a liabilities or not lead to reduction in the asset are called revenue receipt. मीन्स रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट ऐसी रिसिप्ट होती है गवर्नमेंट की जो ना ही वो लाइबिलिटीज क्रिएट करती है और नॉर रिडक्शन इन द एसेट आर कॉल्ड रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट. तो दीज आर नॉट रिडीमेबल रिसिप्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. एंड रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट आर फर्दर डिवाइडेड अंडर द टू हेड. वो टू हेड में डिवाइडेड, रिसिप्ट फ्रॉम द टैक्स रेवेन्यू और रिसिप्ट फ्रॉम द नॉन टैक्स रेवेन्यू. मीन्स जो हम कलेक्ट करते हैं टैक्सेस रेवेन्यू जो कलेक्ट करते हैं उनके दो सोर्सेज हैं. एक है क्या कहते हैं टैक्स रेवेन्यू के थ्रू और एक है नॉन टैक्स रेवेन्यू के थ्रू. तो फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस द व्हाट इज द टैक्स, मीनिंग ऑफ टैक्स अंडर द टैक्स रेवेन्यू. The tax is a compulsory payment of to the government without expectations of direct benefit to the taxpayer. मीन्स यहाँ पे एक टैक्स एक कंपलसरी क्या कहते हैं पेमेंट है जो गवर्नमेंट को किया जाता है विदाउट एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट टू द टैक्स पेयर. एंड देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ टैक्स, डायरेक्ट टैक्स और इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. और डायरेक्ट टैक्स के अंदर इट इज़ लाइबिलिटी टू पे टैक्स इज बर्डन फॉल ऑन द सेम पर्सन and it term at direct tax, where the indirect tax it if the liabilities pay its burden or can be shifted on the different people, it is called indirect tax. And these are the tax revenue. Non tax revenue means revenue received from these government from sources other than tax are known as non tax revenue. And the main sources of non tax revenue of the central government: interest received, profit or dividend received, fees and fine, gift and grants, donation received, special assessment, etc. Thank you.